I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel chapter 3 simulation training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can learn your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please add me for your weekly assignments, add me for your weekly quizzes and add me for your complete course. I will provide you A+ grade in your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will handle your all course, all simulation training, all assignments and all exam, midterm and final. Let's start our training to solve it step by step. Excel chapter 3 simulation training. Select the range A5 to A9 on the quick sheet and then use the insert tab to create a cluster column chart. Simply, first we will select these two ranges A5 to D9. First we will select this range A5 to D9 and then go to the insert tab and then go to the charts group and then we will create a cluster column chart. Click on cluster column chart. Here is cluster column chart. Okay, click on OK. Cluster column chart will be inserted. Cut the cluster column chart and paste in cell H1. Simply cut this chart and then we will paste this chart in cell H1. Okay, here is H1. Okay, cut and paste in cell H1. Okay, adjust the height of the column chart to 3.5 inches and then width to 5.3 inches. Simply click on the go to the format tab and then we will adjust this height and width of this chart. Go to the column 3.5 inches and then width is 5.3 inches. Okay, 5.3 inches width. Question is completed now. Next question is that select the range A5 to B12, D5 to D12. Use the recommended charts feature to create a cluster bar chart. Okay, simply first we will select this range A5 to B12 and then press Ctrl and then we will select second range. The second range is at D5 to D12. Okay, D5 to D12 is second range and then click on insert tab. Click on recommended chart. Click on recommended charts. Here is recommended charts and then we will create a cluster bar chart. Here is cluster bar. Click on OK. Change the chart from cluster bar to default stack bar chart type and OK. Simply click on chart, change chart type. Okay, click on change chart type and then we will change this chart to stacked bar chart. Here is stacked bar chart. Click on OK. Move the stacked bar chart to clear chart sheet name bar chart. Okay, we will move this chart to new sheet is bar chart. Click on move chart. Okay, click on move chart and then we will move this chart to new sheet as the new sheet name is bar chart. New chart and then we will type here bar chart. Click on OK. Question is completed now. Display the new job sheet. Okay, click on new job sheet. On the new job worksheet, select the range A4 to B9. Use quick analysis tool to default pie chart. Click on the quick analysis tool is here, you can see, and then click on chart. Okay, click on pie chart. Move the chart to a new chart sheet name pie chart. Click on the move chart and the new sheet name is pie chart. Click on new sheet and then we will type here pie chart. New sheet name is pie chart. Pie chart. C capital, H A R T small letter. Okay. Question is completed now. Next question is question number 4. Display the Outlook sheet. Okay, display the Outlook sheet. Click on Outlook sheet. On the Outlook worksheet, select the range A5 to A12 and D5 to D12. Okay, D5 to E12. The second range is D5 to E12. First we will select first range A5 to A12 and then we will press Ctrl and then we will select second range D5 to E12. Here is first range and then we will select second range is that D5 to E12. Okay, sorry, first range and then press Ctrl and then select second range. Use Insert tab. Click on Insert tab to create a cluster column combo chart. Click on the chart group, go to the combo charts and then click on cluster column combo chart line on secondary. Here is combo chart, cluster column combo chart line on secondary is here. Click on OK. This chart will be inserted. Now move the chart to a new sheet named combo chart. Click on move chart, click on new sheet. The new sheet is combo chart. We will tap here combo chart. Click on OK. This chart will be moved. A new sheet name is combo chart. Question is completed now. Now moving on, next question is question number 5. Type new computer related jobs by 2029 as the chart title. Click on chart title and then we will type new computer related jobs by 2029. We will type here new computer dash related related jobs by 2029. Okay. Bold the title and change the font size to 18. Go to the home tab and then bold the title and go to the font size in the font group and then set 18 point font size. Select this chart title, go to the font size. First we bold this title and then go to the font size and then apply 18 font size on this chart title. Apply the black text 1 theme color to the chart title. We will select this chart title first, okay, and then go to the home tab in the font color. Okay, we will apply black text 1 font color. Okay, question is completed now. I have done 5 questions. Moving on question number 6. Use the chart element button to display the primary horizontal axis for the column chart. Go to the chart design, go to the chart, add chart element. Okay, for primary horizontal axis, and then we will type job titles as the axis title. Job title, we will type here job title. Job title. Okay, apply dark blue font color to the horizontal axis. Apply dark blue color to the horizontal axis. We will select this horizontal axis and then go to the home tab in the font color. Apply dark blue color to the font axis, horizontal axis. Here is dark blue color. Okay, modify the vertical axis so that maximum bound is 180 lakh. Right click on this, click on format axis, and the maximum 180 lakh. Okay, keep the format axis displayed. X 180. Okay, format axis maximum bounded 180. Okay, this is good now. Change the vertical axis display unit to 1000. Change the vertical display to units 1000 and close the task pane. And then close the task pane. Simply close this task pane. Vertical axis unit 2. Display unit, click on 1000, select 1000. Okay, and then close the task pane. Question is completed now. Apply dark blue font color to the value title axis. Select value title axis, and then we will apply dark blue font color. Go to the home tab in the font color, in the font group. In the font group, apply dark blue font color. Question is completed now. I have done 6 questions of this simulation training right now. Display the inside and data label on the pie chart. Close the chart element. Okay, simply click on chart element and then display inside and data label. Inside and data label. Close the chart element. Use the format data label task pane to display percentage data label and remove the value. Okay, open the format data labels and then click on remove value and then only display percentage data label, and then close the task pane. Apply bold to the data labels. Apply 18 font size to the data label. Go to the font size and apply 18 font size. Open the format chart area pane, blue tissue paper. Okay, texture fill to the chart area of the pie chart. Keep the task pane open. Okay, click on fill color. Click on the fill. Apply the blue tissue paper texture fill. Click on fill and then click on texture blue or texture fill. Go to the and then blue tissue paper is here. Okay, Use the alt text pane to enter display the percentage of new computer jobs. Right click on this and click on edit alt text, and then we will type here edit alt text is that display the percentage of new computer job by job title. Percentage of new computer jobs by job title. By job title. Okay. Apply red solid fill color to the computer system analysis slice. Click on solid fill. First we will select this computer system analysis slice. Okay, we will select this slice. Go to the solid fill and then apply red solid fill color. Go to the first we select this slice and go to the solid fill color and red solid fill color. Sorry, here is red. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your training by watching this video. If you do not able to do this training, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete training for you with A+ grade. Select this slice. Go to the first we will select this computer system analysis. Go to the solid fill and then we will apply red solid fill color. Okay, explore the computer system analysis slice to 10%. Select computer system analysis slice and then we will explore the slice to 10%. Okay, you can see I have done 8 questions out of 11 for remaining question, and if you want to do it for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please contact me for your assignments help, exam help, and for complete course read. You will be free from this course. I will handle your complete course. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Sandwich, Blackboard, and many more colleges and universities. I am also handling many students courses like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.